There's a painting on our living room wall called Winter. My parents bought it in 1971, the year I was born. That was the year they moved into the house on Vista View Terrace. My father had just gotten his promotion, the one that would turn his youthful vigor into a heap of laundry at my mother's feet.
Come on, it'll just take a minute.
You can't be serious. That cheap junk.
You need something to hang in the new house. Oh, Evie, what can I do to cheer you up?
For starters, you can stop asking me that.
Huh? This one's kind of neat, don't you think? Reminds me of where I grew up. Well, I think it'll look nicer with the couch in the living room.
That was also the year that my mother started to disappear.
I cannot believe they'll flake on you. What a tool.
Seriously, Kat, why are you wasting time with that guy? You could do so much better.
It's not that bad.
You're kidding, right? He's dumber than a box of retarded rocks.
Be honest, if it wasn't for the fucking, you'd dump him in a second.
Okay, so I haven't like sex. What, is that a crime?
No, but it means that you're basically using Phil as a human vibrator.
Oh my god, so mean.
The truth hurts.
Whatever, you guys. My mom never coming, my dad jacking off in the basement, all the while pretending everything was fine. That we were the perfect family living this perfect fucking life.
Pass the butter. Thank you.
There were times when I thought she was going mad. That she was gonna suffocate my father one night with a pillow. That she was gonna burn the fucking house down. But instead, she vanished. Like one day she was there, cleaning, making dinner, scowling at me with her feather duster. And the next, she was gone.
How does that make you feel?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you miss her?
No, not really.
Well, I'm just gonna head to my room.
He's a nice boy. You can rest assured, Eve, that my Phil will take good care of your daughter. He's rented a tux and everything.
Yes. I'm taking Kat to the mall this afternoon to buy a new dress.
So? What do you think?
It's a little tight,
Yeah, I know.
but it'll have to suffice, I suppose. Are Beth and Mickey going to the dance as well?
Yeah.
As each other's dates, no doubt. Honestly, Kat, these are the best days of your life. Why on earth would you choose to spend them with those two morbid misfits?
They're my friends.
Well, now that you've finally lost weight, you should make new friends.
I don't want new friends.
You'll be sorry.
If your mother was so unhappy, why do you think she married your father in the first place?
God, I have no idea.
Well, welcome back, stranger.
You horny little bitch.
Shut up. Such a fucking rebel.
I, for one, am jealous as hell. That cop is fucking sex on a stick.
Oh my god, I know. I gotta say, like, out of all the guys I've slept with, he's hands down the best.
Wait, all of the guys? Who else have you been screwing, you slut?
There's this guy at school. His name's Oliver. He's pre-med, so sweet, gorgeous, half black.
I fucking hate you.
Does this mean that you finally kick Phil to the curb?
No, not exactly. I don't know. We're like, sort of doing the non-exclusive, seeing other people thing.
Hold on. So you're still fucking him too?
Well, I haven't seen him since Christmas.
So you're banging 3 hotties at once. Kat, you're my new idol.
God, I missed you guys. My friends at Berkeley are like nice and everything, but just kind of boring.
Oh, I missed you too. What I haven't missed is this shitty little piss hole of a town. Oh my God, my mom told me to clean my room this morning. I almost bludgeoned her to death.
Can't believe we ever lived here.
Oh, I know. Although I kind of find it reassuring how this place never changes, you know? It's like it's just frozen in time.
And you think you've changed?
Oh yeah, I'd say so. I definitely feel more comfortable in my own skin.
No, it's no problem. Good night, dear.
Good night.
You have the flu?
I'm just getting over it. I think it's a going away present from this place.
When are you heading back up north?
The day after tomorrow. To be honest, I'm kind of relieved. I guess it's true what they say, you can't really go home again.
Why do you think that?
I don't know. I mean, look, on one hand, it's been like really nice to see all my old friends and all the old familiar places, but I don't know. I mean, I just feel so different, you know? It's like I'm looking at everything from the point of view of an outsider. Like, okay, last week I saw Phil, and I realized that, like, he's just gonna be stuck working some shit job until he's old and fat and dead. He's never gonna escape this place.
How are things between the two of you?
Our relationship has dwindled to practically nothing. It's weird. It's like he's been avoiding me the entire time I've been home.
Why do you think he might be doing that?
You got me. What? Why do you think Phil is avoiding me? What? What aren't you saying? Why are you just sitting there with that smug look on your face? I mean, why does everyone around me do that? Look, whatever it is that you're thinking, you can tell me. I mean, do you think that, like, Phil is hiding something? Is that what it is? Please, just say it! I'm an adult and I can fucking handle it!
Kat, I'm afraid our time is up for today.
Oh, great.
I want you to think about what we've talked about. Not just today, but all the time that we've spent here. I'm confident that you can find all the answers that you're searching for. You're getting warmer.